what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Fast, and today we're going to go for a point of view drive in the R35 GTR. Should be a whole new experience for you guys. Should hear a whole load of different sounds. Obviously, we're parked up at the Shell, about to put some 99 octane in. That's where this car bloody lives. And let me tell you, fuel is expensive on this beast. So anyway, people, enjoy the video.
Like Vaseline, twin turbo, that's tag team. Drag race, no drag queen. Straight fuel injection, that's max speed, no vaccine. Fast, mine out for the curve. Full tank full of gasoline.
Just gonna give it a little top up. We already got a quarter of a tank. Wow, look how cheap it's gone, guys. Look, 191. That'll do. So quickly, for anyone that's new, obviously R35 GTR, built by JM Imports. You can see the JM 1900R. You can see we've got the drag wheels, we've got Mickey Thompson tires, fully built gearbox, fully built engine, and we're running 99 octane, of course. You can see pretty stockish looking from the exterior. It's a 2014 model. You've got the Thunderbolt headlights, and by the way, it's a T1 racing engine, PPG built gearbox, and we've got upgraded drive shaft, wave track front and rear differentials, and boost logic turbo kit. So yeah, let's go pay for fuel and I'll show you, man, what it's about, isn't it? How you doing, brother? What are you saying, man? Godzilla's out, bro. POV, man.
You know how you do, like, I don't know what I'm going to put in on here. Do you ever do a work? Like
Giveaway?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what, every time I look at A45 I'm like, do people want that though? Wicked, brother. Yeah, you've probably seen a load of the videos as well of this car drag race, and it's so powerful that this flipping bonnet lifts up, like literally. Look, this is almost pushed in a bit. 45-mile range, don't chat doo-doo. By the way, this car is fully secured by Auto Communications. Man like Nick, sorry brother if you're watching right now, I forgot to plug you in the first video. But yeah, we've got like 3 immobilizers on this car. We've got 2 trackers. Bro, we've got 2 trackers, 3 immobilizers, front and rear facing cameras. Man is literally a driving snitch, yo. Right, so we're gonna go transmission R off. For man like Jürgen, if you're watching, we'll put transmission back in normal. So yeah, R35, man, I'm not gonna lie to you, very, very easy car to still drive. Of course, you can imagine, you know, this was Japan's, you could say, their first proper supercar. Some would say it's not a supercar. Obviously it is a big square blocky thing. Now lads, are you feeling it through the camera? I know you felt that. Bro, every time I get in this car, man, it's like, what the F? Bro, this car just puts me in stitches, man. It's pulling around at the front, man. So if you are going to race the car, or, you know, put your foot down in it, it's ideal not to leave it in auto. You want to put it in manual mode. So we're using the paddles. Whoa, have a listen. Jesus, let's give it a second so we can just go. Man, what a weapon. I'm gonna lie, mate, I was talking about getting rid of this car. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do a huge giveaway. But boy, man, I'm just starting to, I don't know, man, I don't even know, I'm starting to relax a bit now. Yeah, you got to pay to play, right? If I want to be labelled the boss, do you know what I'm trying to say? Rolling launch. Whoa-hoy! Lovely. Man ain't getting rid of this, you mad. Have a listen. Woo-hoo-hoo! In! Mate, there's no other reaction apart from that. Whoa! Whoa! You're hearing the bumps? Brava! 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 That's what I'm talking about. Fucking hell. Jesus! Look, now we're just chilling. You know what I mean? We're doing freeze 100 to 200, but then we just chill. Do you know what I'm saying? motorway settings, go do a 300-400 mile journey, no problem. And yeah, honestly, very, very easy car to drive. Obviously we've got really tall tires, so you're not getting that real planted feel that you usually get with a GTR. That is the only thing that's missing. I don't feel super glued and planted to the ground. But you know, obviously if we want full traction, you know, we're putting down, you know, 1200-1300 horsepower right now, pretty easy. But yeah guys, it is genuinely still just a normal GTR, as in like how nimble it feels, how easy it is to drive. Ooh, okay, we've got pop and bang map on. Pull it in neutral quick. It's just literally like a fair ride driving this car, man. Absolute mint condition as well. What have I got? 34,000 miles on the clock. Look, pulls off like normal. Got 22 plate clutch. For anyone that wants to see the full, or know the full details, just head over to the link and I'll have a link to the full video. Man. One thing I want to just say as well, like guys, I didn't build this to break records or to be the fastest. I have no interest. It's just a coincidence that, you know, we broke the 0 to 60 record. But I just I built this car for banter, like literally just for fun, to take friends out in and fucking hell. My god. Man, this is so fast, bro. This is the video that's done it for me, you know that. Put it like this, I don't drive my cars off camera, yeah? They are almost, as Tim said recently, they're like employees of the business, yeah? So I'm not off camera really enjoying my vehicles, but right now, driving point of view, it's not like the camera's facing you. You can actually just chill and just do your thing. You get a different version of me almost. But right now, I'm getting a serious appreciation for this car, man. Wow. 250 mile an hour car I'm sitting in right now. It's nuts, it's bonkers. Engine oil's at 84 degrees, transmission oil 88, coolant temp 74. But there is nowhere to drive this car, I'm not gonna lie to you. Car's not stripped, full interior, we're not running bucket seats, no roll cage. We've got electric, heated, Bose, subwoofer in the back. Look, Bluetooth, we've got all the same dials. We've just got this one toucan here, where I can change my cow settings. You can see it's on cow 6 right now, which is the pop and bang map. And I'm just blown away. I cannot believe that I own a car this fast. Have a listen to this, guys. Tunnel, yeah? Round about, it's just a GTR, bro. Like, similar traction. That's how I feel. That's what you want your car to do, right? I was chatting to even Sideways Sid the other day. He's like, you know, I don't really like boosts. I prefer driver-focused cars, and I'm the same. I prefer a driver-focused car. I prefer a car that you can attack maximum speed around corners. That's what I like to do. Okay, quick, let's go. Second gear. So what I do now is, after having a few little burns in it, put everything back into normal, turn traction on, flick this over to the right, back into auto, and then boom, it'll just cruise like normal. If you are notice any signs on my dash, that's just tyre pressure sensor. So obviously we're running, you know, aftermarket alloys. We just don't have the tyre pressure sensors, so that's the only light on my dash. Apart from that, it's all good, man. We've got the Cyvex protecting the car if there's any issues, or you know, if the crank was to bend, or you know, like there's so many faults that can happen. That's why we've got the additional sensors on the Cyvex. As soon as it detects a problem, it will just shut the car off, put it in limp mode, and not to say that it can't brake still, but it'll prevent it from probably having like a catastrophic failure. If the car's cold, it won't let you put your foot down until it's up to the right operating temperatures. Should we give it a little first, see what happens? You know what, let's not do that. Let's not do that, Ricky. You know what I mean? We've had a nice day. We've had a nice day. Don't go ruin it. Fucking go break something. For anyone that's unaware, we have done an 8.83 quarter mile at 174 on unprepped surface. That was on old tyres as well. I personally believe that on the street, you know, right temperatures with heat in the tyres, it's definitely got a bit more than an 8.8 in it. Right, so guys, I am going to end the video there. As always, if you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you lot in the next one.
A right or a left turn, Lamborghini made the heads turn. Enough fuel for the next journey. Man's wheel spinning, got the heads turning. Exhaust smoke like a fire burning. Just bought a bin, my man's buying German. Halfway I want, didn't buy a permit. Wanna join the team, then buy a jersey. Full tank full of gas lead. We on